Fenugreek is an interesting little plant. It can be used both as an herb or a spice, but their flavor is similar. So I'm talking about mighty spice fenugreek and its benefits today, including your blood sugar regulating features. So I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin. I'm an endocrinologist, a diabetes specialist, and an integrative medicine specialist. The fenugreek leaves are commonly used in curries. Curries, right? So the seeds are often used to flavor chicken and lamb dishes. And fenugreek is also used in traditional medicines as it is thought to have a range of health benefits. For example, it is sometimes taken as a tea to help relieve the indigestion, but fenugreek can be a bit of an acquired taste, so it's definitely worth trying if you are enjoying exploring new flavors. But fenugreek has been used as a medicinal herb for centuries. The small brown seeds are known for their healing properties, and they are often used to treat a variety of health conditions. Recent studies have shown that fenugreek may help improve blood sugar control, especially in people with diabetes. So it may also have a lot of anti-inflammatory effects. Now, people have been using fenugreek seeds as a medicine for centuries, so there must be something to it, right? So some people say that fenugreek will help with digestion. Others claim that it can help boost your energy levels. If you're not sure what to believe but interested in finding out, well, listen up. I did a lot of research on fenugreek seeds before we decided to put that in our advanced glucose support supplement, which is insanely effective in putting your blood sugars where they need to be. Who would have thought that these little guys could be so helpful for people with diabetes? They contain fiber and other chemicals that slow digestion and body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. Not to mention, they help improve how body uses sugar and increase the amount of insulin released. Talk about a powerhouse seed. I was never thought of these at medical school about all of these benefits. But according to one study that I found later, a daily intake of 10 grams of fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water may actually help control type 2 diabetes if taken twice a day. Another study reveals that consuming baked goods such as bread prepared with fenugreek flour may actually help people with type 2 diabetes. So, isn't that interesting? It can reduce the insulin resistance by as much as 30%. Other studies found that fenugreek as a supplement resulted in slight decrease in fasting glucose. Fenugreek is a very safe herbal supplement that has been shown to provide a variety of health advantages beside helping diabetes actually. These benefits include ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, and it serves as an anti-cancer herb, but it also has been used to alleviate symptoms of painful menstruation and cholesterol. Some studies actually shown that fenugreek can actually help lower cholesterol levels. In one study, fenugreek was found to reduce LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, by nearly 10% and increase the HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol, by 15%. Now, fenugreek is thought to work by inhibiting the absorption of dietary cholesterol, which is a good source of fiber. It can also reduce the total cholesterol levels by binding to the bile acids and removing them, because bile acids are made with cholesterol. Now, fenugreek is available in capsules or in powder, can be added to food. It has a slightly sweet taste that's reminiscent of a maple syrup. So, in summary, fenugreek has been used for centuries in alternative medicine to treat a variety of health conditions, including diabetes. The fenugreek plant is native to Asia and Mediterranean typically, and its seeds have been used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine for so long. In recent years, fenugreek has gained popularity, again as a natural treatment for diabetes. Studies have shown that fenugreek can help to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, fenugreek again help lower the cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels in people with diabetes. Well, we need more research for sure, but fenugreek is a promising natural treatment for diabetes and other health conditions that are associated with diabetes, such as cholesterol. Now, if you have not tried our advanced glucose support that contains fenugreek in a very concentrated form and many other herbs, I would suggest giving it a try. I can comfortably claim that our advanced glucose support supplement is the best supplement in the market. It's not a medicine. It's the best supplement in the market, hands down. Again, thanks for watching. Please write a comment and express your experience with our advanced glucose support if you haven't taken it. And I will appreciate it. The other YouTube followers will appreciate it. And thank you again. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.